Hi guys, it's me again and welcome to Java Learning, and today I'm going to explain you how to subtract two numbers using the JavaScript BlueJ. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so now, this video is totally sponsored by BlueJ. It's a nice Java programming site on which you can program JavaScript so easily and so efficiently that will feel like it's like some floating water. Okay, so let's see that. So in this thing, I am gonna program it with using scanner class. So so using the scanner class, we are gonna program this code. Okay, so first of all, before to use the scanner class, I need to import. A package which is known as java.util, as I have told in my earlier videos. As you can see, import java.util, and now in this import java.util, I am now going to declare my class as a public class subtracting. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this curly brackets, and now I'm gonna write the basic statement as public static void main string args. Okay, so now this thing is very obvious that if you want to change this thing, like in this sense, so you can use command shift I. It will come into a format, as you can see, in which is the official format. However, it is easy to program it in an aligned way, and then use shift command I to convert it into an aligned way. Okay, so it will be easy. You can prefer your choice. I am using this, you can prefer anything. Okay, so I've written public static void main string args, and then I have to use again this curly bracket, and then I need to use scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, so this thing declares that the object which I am going to use to store the value in my variables will be sc. And okay, so now I am going to declare my variables in which are int a, int b, and int c, and I'm gonna initialize them, and then I'm gonna put this sign, and then it's over. Now what I'm gonna do is use system.out.println, and I'm gonna print to the users that please enter your first number. Okay, so now the user will get this message, and then I'm going to store whatever the user inputs in this as an integer value in this variable a by using sc.nextInt. If I write here, if except sc, I write here in, so here also I need to change it as in, or if I write here sc, then it will show error, like show an error after compiling. Okay, so use these two objects always same. Okay, so now I'm going to write here sc and write here sc. I am like using sc as my object. You can use in also, or any other object as you want. Don't use the keywords, it will not accept. Okay, so now what you need to write is again, because actually we are subtracting two numbers, so you need to get two numbers from the user, so I'm writing another one as system.out.println, please enter your second number. Okay, so the user will get again this message, and now I'm gonna write as store this value also entered by the user as it enters in the variable b. Okay, so now system.out.println. Now, oh sorry, I'm extremely sorry. I will write, first of all, I will subtract these two numbers. Now subtract these two numbers as ac equals to a minus b, like this. And then when the two numbers are being subtracted, they will store the value of these two, you can say the answer of this subtrahend will be stored in the variable c. And after this I will use system.out.println, because just storing the values will not work, I have to display it also. So system.out.println, the answer to your question is I have to this use got this double quotes, and then I have to write as plus C, and then again put this, so so this plus sign will merge with this, and the value of C and this string will be remained. Okay, so now what I will do is I will end this thing like this, and you can see as the program is complete. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take the screenshot also. I will leave the text form in the comment description below. You can check out from that and use it as a source code. I will first of all then compile. As you can see, the class is compiled and has no syntax errors. I will cross it up. I will choose void main string as written right here and press OK. As you can now see, just a minute, I will increase the length of my screen. Yeah. So please enter your first number. You have to enter your first number as displayed. I will enter right in here 10. Please enter your second number. I will enter 5, and the answer to your question is 5. As we know, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So this program is complete. However, if you enter the first number as 5 and the second number as 10, it will give your answer as minus 5. As I can show you, just a minute. If I first enter the number 5 and then enter the number 10, it will answer to your question is minus 5. If you want to ignore this, then you will be needing to use if else, and it's another thing, and it's a ternary operator. I will explain this on explaining later on my series on learning Java. If you want to watch that video urgently, or you want that video first, then I can, but you have to please comment in the comment section, then only I will be knowing it. Okay, so actually I'm a new YouTuber, and I need support, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching Java learning. Thank you guys, and meet you in the next video.